Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
My name is Nofa, and I have just started this channel. From today, we are going to go through the Holy Quran, introducing each surah and giving a brief explanation regarding it. So stay with me on this beautiful journey through the Holy Quran. As it's our first video, let's start with Surah Al-Fatiha, chapter 1 of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين.
What you just heard was the first verse of the surah. Let's have a brief introduction. Surah Al-Fatiha is the first chapter of the glorious Quran. Name of the surah means the opening. It has 7 verses and was revealed in the holy city of Makkah before Prophet migrated to the city of Medina. This surah can be found in Juz or Para 1. The first verse tells us about the power of our Lord and how He is the creator of everything such as mankind, trees, animals, jinns, all other creations, and that all praises and compliments belong to none other than Him. It gives humans the message that they should thank their Lord more often for what He has given them. How beautiful! See guys, if you remain with me on this journey, then we will come upon much more amazing messages on this trip. So consider subscribing and hit the bell icon if you want to be the first to watch my videos.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The second verse introduces us with 2 of Allah's most beautiful attributes, the first one being the most beneficent, which means that He is the most generous and the most kind being to ever exist. Second one being the most merciful, which means that He is really merciful and loves to forgive His people, and so it gives us the message to ask for forgiveness from our Almighty Lord.
مالك يوم الدين.
The third verse of Al-Fatiha reveals the truth in front of our eyes, that Allah the Almighty is the owner of the day of recompense and the day of resurrection. Here the words the day of recompense and day of resurrection refer to the day of judgment, also known as Qiyamah, which means the day when the world will end.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
The fourth verse tells us that we only have one Lord, Allah the Almighty, who alone we worship and ask for help. It explains that Allah alone is worthy of being worshipped and being asked for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
The fifth verse presents us with a beautiful dua on how we can ask for guidance from our Lord and plead to Him to show us the correct path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
The fifth verse presents us with a beautiful dua on how we can ask for guidance from our Lord and plead to Him to show us the correct path. In the last verse, the dua from the previous verse has been continued, and we have been informed that which path is the correct one and which is not. 3 qualities have been told. 1. The correct path is of those on whom the Lord sent His blessings on. 2 and 3. That the wrong path is of those who went into wrongdoing, and those who gained our Lord's anger. We have now reached the end of the surah, and the video as well. But before that, let's have the fact of the end. So did you know that Surah Al-Fatiha is also known as the door of the Quran? Do tell me in the comments. If you learned something new today, then do subscribe and like the video. Also do share this video to your friends and family so they can gain more knowledge of the Quran too. Stay with me in this beautiful journey. More exciting and interesting episodes are coming soon.